In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I hacked this IKEA Lack shelf into I don't know what to call it, a stand, I don't know. But if you want to find out how I did it for free, yes, £0, then keep on watching. It's Sandy. Welcome back to Sandy Shares. I bought this lack shelf because I originally wanted to do like an Instagram inspired shoe rack, but I'm doing something else for my shoes. But I had the lack shelf left over and I just didn't want it to sort of go to waste, so I thought I would DIY it and turn it into something that I could use. So for this DIY, you are going to need a lack shelf, of course. I have the 110 by 26, but I think any measurement would do. A hacksaw for cutting, any strong wood glue, I've got no more nails. A pencil for marking out. You will also need some cardboard pieces, a multi-purpose filler, and also some sanding paper, but these are all optional. Everything I'm using are things that I already have in the house, so this DIY is not costing me anything other than some time and some TLC. The lack shelf has these two end bits which I'm going to be using to measure a line. So I'm just going to get something to measure. I'm just using an old DVD case to measure a line that I'm going to cut along. Please be careful when cutting and take your time. Once I've cut this piece, I will use the same piece as a guide for the next piece. So I just line it up, draw a mark, and then this is what I'm going to be cutting. So once you've cut both ends, you have 3 pieces. The next step is to sand down the edges of all 3 pieces just to make them smooth. But this is optional. I took some cardboard pieces to cover the top of the ends that I cut, just to make it easier to glue and stick together. Once I stuck the cardboard pieces onto the ends, I next apply glue on top, and then all is left to do is stick the long piece on top. And we leave it to set. Next, I took some wood filler to fill in the gaps and also to cover the cardboard pieces. If you want, you can sand it down and decorate it or paint it white so that it's a better match, or leave it as it is, because as it is, it's functional and ready to use. So this is the finished DIY. It's multifunctional. I love using it as a stand for my computer and laptop. You can also use storage baskets to organize your office supplies, or just to keep your room nice and tidy. I also love using it as an overlap table for when I'm editing or when I'm using my laptop away from my desk. That's what I love about DIY. You can take one thing that was for one use and turn it into something else that is equally useful. So we've got one stand, but with multi-use. And this is it, guys. It was a very easy and very simple hack, but I love it. I love the fact that I can turn one thing that was intended for something else and into something equally as useful, and it's multifunctional. You can use it for so many different things. You can even use it as a tray, like to eat your food, which I'm not going to be doing, but you can. This was my IKEA DIY hack. If you enjoyed it, then please give this video a like. I love doing DIYs and I love being creative, and so if I inspired you, or if you found some inspiration in this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new and you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell, otherwise you won't be alerted every time I upload and you'll miss all my videos. I appreciate all your support. I appreciate every single view that I'm getting, so thank you so much. Until next time, bye.